Hello guys, you are watching Nova.apk. Welcome to our new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use internet via modem on Phoenix OS. So first of all, download 3 files. I will give you the link in the description. Here the first one, apt, second one is Nova Launcher, and third one is pp widgets. So all you need to do is you just go to the directory where you install the Phoenix OS. In my case, I'm installing my Phoenix OS on my E drive. So open my Phoenix OS folder and create a new folder, set the name backup, and copy the system img and paste it on the backup folder. I do that just because when I do something wrong, I can recover in my system img. Okay, after backupping the system img, extract the apt. Okay, password, I will give you the password on my description. Just paste it and extract it. Remember, you have to extract the apt where you install the Phoenix OS. I am installing my Phoenix OS on my E drive, so I extract it on the root of the drive. Now copy now copy the system img and paste it on apt-in folder. Okay, after finishing the copy, go to the 8AP and run the application. So it will click on more and run anyway. Press any key to continue. Now click on 2 to unpack the system img file. I'm pressing 2 and it will take a while. So it's done. Now press any key to continue. Now minimize the app. Go to unpack folder, go to system, go to app. Now create a new folder and rename it to Nova, Nova, just like that. Okay, so now we have to copy our apk. Okay, where it is? Here it is. So now rename that and cut all the word and set it to just Nova. Copy that, then go to unpack system app. Now search where is Nova. Okay, here it is. Now paste it here. So after that, we have to do one more thing. Just open the fsconfig. Now at the first line from here, press enter. Now copy that code. I'll give you the code in my description. Okay, just copy that and paste it here. Now save it. Oh, sorry. After that, go to the app. Now we have to repack it. So click on 4 and click on repack system img Phoenix OS. Click on 1 and enter. Sorry, press. I messed up. And then press 3 for we put a file, that's why it will be bigger than before. So we have to press 3 for 2.50 GB. So after that, it will repacking. So okay, it's done. Now we have to go to the where it is, out folder, and copy that system img. As you can see, the size is increased. So go to there, go to Phoenix OS and delete that. Okay, and paste it here. So guys, after copying, our installation process has finished. Now go to Phoenix OS and let's check it out. So guys, we're back in Phoenix OS. So guys, now we have to download the pp widgets. Widget 2. What is discontinue? It's not a big deal. I'll give you the link in the description. You can download from there and install it manually from the driver. Sorry, from the drive. Okay, now open Nova launcher and tap and hold on the home screen and click on widgets. Now scrolling down and find PP widget 2. Now set it here, click on create, and it will checking access your modem connection. I already plugged in my modem, so I guess guys my modem aren't working properly because I don't use that for 2 years, so I guess it's not working now. So guys, after that after you connect your modem, just click on the configuration, set the IP and set the internet name, and click on the connect. Now you're good to go for using the internet. This is the process guys, and it's definitely working for you I guess. So my modem is not working, that's why I can show you that I can show you the proof that it's working. So this is the process, you can try that. Thank you for watching guys. If it helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos, and bye.